Hi everybody, how you doing? Today I went out and bought from PC World, well, that way is better, a wireless keyboard. I'm going to do an unboxing, but I just need some, actually, yeah, I'll just unbox this, and I also got something else, but I'll show you that one later. This do it. Oh god. Okay. Never planned this. A CD. I won't plug it. A pin. There we go. I've never opened a keyboard before. Don't blame me if I'm doing this wrong. Never done it before. Ha. This side here, I think. This should be it. That way. God. What's wrong with this keyboard? I just saw it. Oh! Great, aren't I? Wow. That's nice. It's friggin' thin. How does it compare to my one? Oh, exactly the same size. Sweet. Nice. It's not that heavy either. Put it down there. What else we got? So, batteries. Oh, wireless keyboard. I think that's it. It looks like it. Damn, I ruined the box badly. Yeah, you just go on the sides, like that kind of, and they'll both fold in. All I had to do was just like pull that up, and then I'm an idiot. I've got one more thing to do though still. What have we got in here? We have a Bluetooth rated thingy, certificate thingy down it, whatever, some more crap. Okay, instructions, put the batteries in, on our switch. I'll work all that later. Need them. This is just a load of stuff. I'll just pop it up there. There we have the keyboard. Now you've got to do this professionally. Pro. Don't want to rip it so I can just... Okay. This is thin. Holy cow. this thing for the Apple logo on the back. Don't know if you can see it, but it's there. Sweet, it's got all the features here. On off, that's the batteries, which I can put in now, let's see. Take a coin, flip it, and it opens just like that. Sweet, nice design, Apple. So I suppose just Energizer AA. There we go. Stay there. Where'd that pamphlet go? So, plus guide, so this side goes in first. Then a plus again. And then a plus again. That's all in. Just have to put that back in. It's very simple, I'd say. There we go. So that's on. Just turn it off because I don't need it on. Oh well. So, do I have to like turn off my Mac now? Oh, it has to be off. Okay, well, I have to turn my Mac off, so yeah, gotta go. See ya. Hi everybody. You saw the unboxing of my mouse, and well, keyboard rather. The keyboard setup was quite easy. The mouse, ooh, this mouse is a bitch. It's wireless though, and so it's the keyboard. But I had to turn it off. Well, I didn't really have to turn it off actually. I mean, it was easy enough not to use. Not to turn off. It's that Bluetooth setup thing. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, that's basically it. What's that? Oh well. Anyway, yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching.